yet.
I already am.
I want to be in this. I made them lock up.
Not ever. Okay. Look
Then
at
Andre,
these
you should
clothes.
switch because you did it with me.
Alright, fine. We will do it over here.
Yeah.
Look at these clothes.
Oh my god. Those are so ugly.
You know what? Just to go.
I could bleed my vagina on these clothes.
I know. I will take a shit on these clothes.
And they're so.
Look at that trashy escalator.
Look at it. It's like not go through. This isn't
No,
expensive
no,
enough for me.
Look at this. Okay.
I see dust. Dust.
Dust, I say. I say dust. We are rich, stuck-up people with big vaginas.
Yes. And many children to inherit our fortune.
Very.
But I am rich to the one who takes a doctor's degree.
And a PhD and lots of money.
Don't forget he has to be blonde. Not to be blonde.
Be blonde and marry a woman with blonde hair and big breasts.
Lots of breath.
Lots of breasts.
Plenty of breath. She cannot be overweight.
No, she can't, or else she'll get shit from Andre.
I would never raise an overweight child.
No, I wouldn't, because they're
Oh,
so
God.
disgusting.
God,
I
no.
pee on these clothes. Ugh.
Yeah.
No.
Look at that. I bleed my vagina on these clothes, people.
It's so tacky. It's so tacky. Okay. All right, we finna leave Von Mauer. Kiss my ass, Von Moore. Walking this way.
Take that.